Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Forester headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulb. Make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and the engine is completely off. This ensures your safety and makes the process much smoother. Having everything ready before you start saves time and effort. Now, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the release tab and pull the connector straight off. Next, carefully twist the bulb socket about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. This will unlock the bulb, allowing you to pull it straight out of the housing. Once the old bulb is out, carefully pull it straight from its socket. When handling your new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base and push it firmly into the socket. Then, insert the new bulb and socket back into the headlight housing, twisting it clockwise about 1/4 of a turn to lock it securely in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb until you hear or feel a click, ensuring it's secure. Close your car's hood. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This quick check ensures everything is properly connected and illuminates the road ahead. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.